When it comes to high-quality gold and diamond jewelry, nothing beats slipping on a piece that feels as timeless and beautiful as you are. Whether you're searching for the perfect engagement ring, a special gift, or a new statement piece to add to your collection, finding the right jewelry near me is key to making the moment unforgettable. If you're located in Arcadia or the surrounding area, you're in luck. The city is home to some of the finest jewelry stores in Arcadia, where craftsmanship, authenticity, and dazzling design come together in every piece. But how do you choose the right place to find the jewelry of your dreams? Let's dive into everything you need to know about selecting high-quality gold and diamond pieces, the importance of reliable Arcadia jewelry repair, and where to go when only the best will do. Why investing in high-quality gold and diamond jewelry matters. High-quality gold and diamond jewelry is more than an accessory. It's a legacy. Fine jewelry holds its value over time, both emotionally and financially. Pieces crafted from genuine gold and ethically sourced diamonds will last for generations, making them an heirloom that tells a story. When you're shopping for jewelry near me, you want to make sure you're investing in pieces made with meticulous attention to detail. Choosing a reputable jewelry store ensures that you're not only buying something beautiful, but something authentic and enduring. What to look for in a jewelry store. Not all jewelry stores are created equal. When searching for jewelry in Arcadia or the nearest jewelry shop, keep these tips in mind. Reputation. Look for stores with strong community reviews and a history of excellence. Trusted names will often be recommended by word of mouth. Certifications. Reputable jewelry stores in Arcadia will offer certified diamonds and real gold. Always ask to see certifications before purchasing. Variety. The best stores will have a wide selection of gold and diamond jewelry to suit different tastes and budgets. Customer service. A great jewelry store will offer personalized service and education, helping you choose pieces that match your needs. Jewelry repair. Even the finest jewelry needs maintenance. Look for stores that also offer services like Jewelry Repair Around Me and Arcadia Jewelry Repair to ensure your pieces are cared for over time. The importance of local jewelry repair. Fine jewelry is an investment, and like any valuable item, it needs proper care. If you ever find yourself searching for Arcadia Jewelry Repair or an Arcadia Jewelry Repair shop, it's critical to choose someone you can trust. Regular maintenance like cleaning, resizing, prong tightening, and polishing can extend the life of your jewelry and keep it looking as radiant as the day you bought it. Having a trusted jewelry repair around me ensures that no matter what happens, from a loose stone to a broken clasp, your cherished pieces are always protected. Arcadia is home to skilled artisans who understand how to preserve the integrity and beauty of your jewelry, making Arcadia jewelry repair shops an essential part of your fine jewelry journey. Why Arcadia is a hidden gem for jewelry shoppers. If you're lucky enough to be in Arcadia or nearby, you're already in one of the best places to find outstanding gold and diamond pieces. The jewelry stores in Arcadia blend old-world craftsmanship with modern designs, offering something for everyone. Whether you're searching for a delicate diamond bracelet, a bold cocktail ring, or a custom-designed gold pendant, instead of endlessly Googling jewelry near me or nearest jewelry, you can simply explore the local jewelry in Arcadia scene, where top-quality pieces and exceptional customer service go hand in hand. And when it comes time for a tune-up, Arcadia jewelry repair shops are renowned for their attention to detail and passion for restoring pieces to their original glory. How to choose the perfect piece. Whether you're celebrating a milestone or simply treating yourself, here are a few quick tips for selecting the perfect piece of high-quality gold and diamond jewelry. Know your style. Are you classic, modern, or eclectic? Your jewelry should reflect who you are. Set a budget. Great jewelry comes in a variety of price points. Define your budget beforehand to narrow your options. Think long-term. Choose pieces you'll love today, tomorrow, and 20 years from now. Prioritize quality. Always select certified diamonds and real gold from trusted jewelry stores. Consider customization. Many stores in Arcadia offer custom jewelry design, a perfect option for creating a one-of-a-kind piece. Ready to shine? Choose Dorano jewelry for the best in Arcadia. When it comes to finding the finest jewelry in Arcadia, there's one name that consistently rises above the rest: Dorano Jewelry. At Dorano Jewelry, you'll discover a breathtaking selection of high-quality gold and diamond pieces that blend timeless beauty with exceptional craftsmanship. Whether you're shopping for a milestone moment or investing in a lifelong treasure, our passionate team is dedicated to making your experience extraordinary. Need trustworthy Arcadia jewelry repair? Dorano Jewelry's experts treat every piece with the same level of care and precision we would with our own. Whether it's a simple cleaning or a complex repair, we're the Arcadia Jewelry Repair Shop you can trust to make your jewelry sparkle like new. Skip the endless searches for jewelry near me or jewelry repair around me. Dorano Jewelry is your destination for brilliance, beauty, and lasting value. Visit Dorano Jewelry today to explore their stunning collections or book a personalized consultation. Your perfect piece and a lifetime of memories is waiting for you.